farming. And 5, we are going to work on the EXCELL component, which is majority might be struggling with. If you do like this content, do not forget to leave a like if you do like the explanation given, or if you are following this channel. So right there, so in the data file. So yes, question 7. Let's get some revenue. Question 7 states we need to create a document in the spreadsheet program using the EXCELL exact cell reference as indicated. Do not key in the arrow column headings, you will be penalized. Okay? So yeah, with Windows 11, creating a document is quite easy. So, okay, so now we just need to type in the various information that is displayed in the question paper. So I prefer to start in everything before I tend to adjust anything. Box, tab, and then this moves to the next cell. In, if you press enter, it will go down to the cell B. No. Okay, or you can use your arrows. And then whenever typing numbers, use the keys on the keyboard so that you do not use the full stop by mistake on the text pad. And this would be easier. 15, 7, 10, 13, 14, 16, 20. So because of time, there is only information that you copy. So also ensure that you do type the right information. Right. Let's just do so I can see. Measurements. General explanation. Plan. Then just go very long to check that you've spelled correctly. Because remember, you do get a mark for accuracy. So spelled correctly. Vegetables, and so forth. Then you just need to make this 2 decimals, not 1. Okay, so it states here we need to use the font Cambury 11 when creating the spreadsheet, except when instructed otherwise. So there they gave us an instruction. So the whole document should be in Cambury 11. Insert the following header. Left line question 7. Right line examination number, which is your ID number on the left, and then question number on the right. So pick, choose another slide, question 8, then your examination number with your computer, then caps lock question, question, so 4, and just apologies, click on the slide, back, so if you can see, just check the print, there your header is inserted. So now we're just going to edit the rest of the document. Make use of text wrap to key in column headings. So we need to use text wrap in row 2. Just make it bigger for you. Text wrap. And then as it is displayed, this information is at the top. Now this is the task though. Okay. Go like this one. Right side. Quantity. We sorted. Adjust column width to fit the spreadsheet on one page. Do not make use of fit to one page, very important. Then if you follow instructions, save the spreadsheet as question 7 in your folder. Run spreadsheet without any column and headings. So go to view. So that is basically our spreadsheet. So then you just print your info. Like stated, you should not print it with any columns and headings. Stay tuned for question